What's up, guys? Welcome back to War Room Finance, a weekly finance stream for stocks, crypto, and investment news and tips. It was a big day in the market today, and we're going to go over some of the top news for this week. So let's check it out.
No, it is financial advice. We're not financial advisors.
We're not.
Whatever we say, don't listen to us. We're just talking out our ass. Thank you.
All right. So today we had the Fed raise interest by 25 basis points. I think everyone already knew about this. So it was a big shocker. But they are going to keep increasing it, like for the full year, right? Tapes. They said that they're going to do what, 1.8?
1.75.
1.75 total for the whole year. All right. So that's, I mean, it's not that bad, but it's still a good rate.
It's a controlled rate, so it's not as risky as it would to form a recession.
Yeah, because a lot of people were kind of like fear mongering, saying that we're going to hit a recession and all of that. And then like a few days ago, they were even saying that they were calling out for a stagflation, that it'll be that bad. But I guess Jerome Powell and the Fed did a pretty good job of making a nice taper into it instead of just crashing the markets.
Yeah, and when this news came out, stocks and crypto started to rebound. Because I think for weeks, maybe a couple of months, we've been expecting this to come out, and now that it's here and it's not as bad as the markets suspected. Yeah, I expect to see a bounce, and altcoins actually bounced back more than Bitcoin, which kind of tells me that that the crypto market is more bullish because altcoins are higher risk, and so when the crypto market is more bullish, altcoins tend to outperform Bitcoin. So might have that alt season 2022 coming in.
Yeah, that's what I noticed. If you look here, the BTC and Ethereum are like 5% plus compared to regular stocks, only hitting like barely 4%, 3%, 2% compared to crypto. So yeah, it looks very good. And then one more thing that I want to kind of touch on is like, did we hit a bottom already? Like as of like this week, because it kind of looks like we hit a bottom. But going into the SPY. Yeah, it looks like we hit a bottom. Like we did a triple bottom test, and it looks like we're going to see green as of going forward for the next couple of months or weeks. What do you guys think? That we got more bleeding left, or we bottom out?
That's kind of tough. I do think short term we did hit a bottom, but I know recently. Well, actually, yeah, we might do all right because recently the S&P hit a death cross. Actually, on your chart there, where you see that blue line cross the yellow line, a little more left, yeah, that's your death cross, and that's normally a bearish sign. But historically, 2 out of 3 times that happens, the S&P closes the year positive, an average of +6. So I think that signals that we are at a dip, a bottom.
That's a third bottom right there.
Yeah, like
triple bottom.
Yeah, triple bottom. Yeah. First red candle, second and third. So that's a triple bottom retest, and that usually after a triple bottom retest, we get like a nice rally. So that's why I'm kind of inclining that I think we hit a bottom, and then whoever bought the bottom as of this week, they should be fine. That's a good average.
I bought some stuff this week.
Yeah, I bought some stuff too. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I mean, I did some purchases, and I'm pretty confident that we did hit a bottom. But yeah, and then again, we could be wrong, and then it might just dip even more. But it's funny how crypto did a faster retest than the SPY. This one, like, it retested at 32 and then like at 34. So it did like a double bottom, and then it's just been rallying. I guess because Biden did that one crypto bill, like as of last week. That's why it was sooner. And then the Fed was this week. So maybe that's why it's picking up a lot faster compared to the SPY. And so that was that. And have you guys seen that the new South Korean president is more crypto bullish or more crypto friendly? He wants to push South Korea to start like adopting and embracing cryptocurrencies a lot better than the last president. So that looks pretty bullish for crypto.
Yeah.
And then and fun fact, the biggest coin out of South Korea is I don't know. I mean, it's been popping off everywhere, like in a lot of boards, and a lot of people are talking about it. It's Luna. I don't know if you guys hold any Luna yourselves or Terra. This is a beast of a coin.
Hold a bit of Luna. It was definitely unexpected because I was expecting Solana to, take the Ethereum throne.
Oh yeah. yeah. But I mean, let me see. Let me pull it up. So yeah, even though Solana, I mean, going back to that, Terra is so Terra's 7. Wait, where's
Solana's right there, 8, right under it.
Or 8. Oh, damn.
9, actually.
Yeah, damn. Wow. Solana's losing ground.
No, they're neck to neck.
Solana's been at 8 forever.
They're neck to neck. No, Solana's 9 now.
Solana's 9, so it dropped.
So for some reason, Cardano's.
Oh, because the Cardano's moving down. That's why.
Oh, right. So
Cardano's almost out.
For you, I know that you three guys are big into crypto. Can you guys kind of give us a quick summary of what is Terra / Luna for our viewers that don't really understand Bitcoin?
Yeah, Luna is it's mostly a DeFi coin. Terra, Luna, its purpose is primarily for like lending and borrowing, and you can stake. You can stake Terra stablecoin, and I think you need to buy Luna to exchange it, something like that. But there's a staking platform called Anchor and Protocol that offers about 20% APY on stablecoins, and that's been getting really popular lately. The people pouring into Anchor have to buy Luna to do it, and so that's been contributing to the rally lately.
This graph's looking super bullish. Like you asked me, man.
Yeah, it is. Yeah,
it's a nice bullish graph.
It's very bullish.
Man, I'm liking this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna drop. I mean, I get paid tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna start buying some Luna pretty heavily. Hopefully, I don't get caught like on the FOMO on this, but yeah, it looks pretty appealing. Pretty appealing, if you ask me.
I just followed what I did with Solana with Luna. I just bought 10 of them.
Man, you bought 10?
Yeah.
Bro, these comments always get me. Like, Luna will surpass BTC.
Okay. All right.
Oh, no, okay. But like, but going back to this, yeah, like Luna has been climbing. Like they really thrown.
Oh yeah, they were at 10. They were at 10, right?
Man, they were at 10.
Right. Avalanche too. Avalanche is another good protocol too. Actually,
Avalanche is cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Avalanche could probably climb up. Damn, maybe. Hopefully, Solana, takes 5th place. But all these stable coins have been, they've been on top 10 for a while now, just because they're stable.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, without Tether and USDC, like XRP's number 4?
Okay. Okay, so my question is, like, since all of these stable coins are
number 5.
Is it because like there's a lot of market volatility?
Exactly. Yeah, because of the market cap.
So pretty much stablecoins are like the bonds of like crypto, right?
Pretty much,
they're safe havens.
They're safe havens. Pretty much.
Yeah, all right. Now that you put it that way, I'm a little bit skeptical because like I don't want to get caught in the crossfire.
You compare it to like Tether and like USDC is like.
It's just their fees are ass. Like Tether,
exactly, yeah.
Tether and USDC, they charge like $25 per transaction.
What? That's a scam.
So they get you.
All right, that's crazy. Yeah, and then in other news, have you guys seen that the Ukraine president? He signed a bill making crypto like a legal tender for all their transactions and all their donations and all that stuff that's going on with the board.
They have to, because all of these NFTs and everything that it's going, that's trying to help them. he has to make the crypto, legal tender for them to be able to cash out pretty much and help them out.
Yeah. In this bill, some big things include legalizing exchanges that are based in Ukraine so that they can be like legal licensed businesses. He made it legal for banks to open crypto accounts and some other legislation that would allow the feds to legally hold and use crypto, or at least Ukrainian feds. And yeah, it's crazy. And yeah, they had to do it so that they can make use of all these donations that are coming in.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, we have Ukraine, we have South Korea, so we have Russia. You have so it's spreading pretty fast. The adoption is coming a lot faster.
Coming, man, it's coming.
I mean, we're in it right now.
A matter of time. ISO is here, bro. I could just read that Swift website all day.
ISO will be here in November, so
I know Swift's already putting it out there for us. It's in plain sight now.
Yeah.
Like I said, I can actually sleep at night, bro, after seeing that on that website. I'm like, bro, now I can just keep buying and not worry.
Yeah, I mean, if you guys are kind of, you guys are right. It's all leading to like somewhere in November. Yeah, I mean, like a little before November. All of these.
There's an open window from August to November. So
I mean,
I'll let you ride my Lambo, Eric.
Yeah, pick me up. Actually, wait, what about the gas prices?
I'm picking you up from work. It won't matter, bro. I'll buy a gas station at that point. I'll open up my own gas station at that point.
All right. Yeah, I mean, all right. Yeah, I mean, it's all leading. I mean, like all of this XRP TAs are leading towards something. It's like I mean, they are. I mean, it's pretty much compounding towards something big. So what
I mean, it's been holding pretty strong there.
Yeah, I mean, it's been holding. Like, if you look at it, like it's not budging; it's holding. Like the wells, and then the community is holding there. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign.
I mean, they're trying to get a good position before stuff goes crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're looking to own some ISO, XRP is probably like a good bet on it.
It's probably the best bet. Yeah.
It's probably the best bet.
Eric, are you gonna buy XRP?
I'm gonna wait for JR to pick me up from the Lambo.
I knew you're still not gonna buy it, dude.
Eric is very anti-XRP.
I mean, it's just okay.
It's okay, bro.
I mean, we'll see. I mean, maybe once everyone.
Me and Liftoff will team up and pay off your condos for you. Don't worry.
Oh man, I'll be happy with that. I'll be happy with that. But okay, going to other stuff. Right here, have you guys seen this meme that we came across today?
Bro, that's the most randomest acquisition literally ever. Like,
so, JR, like, you hold the AMC, right?
Yeah.
Were you kind of caught off with this, or like, what was like your reaction since you're a big holder?
I don't think it makes a difference for me.
Make a difference for me. All right. I mean, so that's one way to kind of diversify. I guess the CEO is actually doing some pretty high IQ.
You know how hard it is to find gold? Like,
well, I mean, I do believe that company holds like a good amount of value.
Are you you think they're going off of what they already have?
We're saying resources,
and they're not exactly. They're not going to use their resources to look for more.
Well,
that company has a mine in Nevada.
Yeah, I'm sure they're probably still just mining. That's what they do. But he's investing because they already have that much in resources. So like it makes sense. I mean, I don't see anything really wrong with this play.
Yeah,
it's kind of just strange. I mean, because it's saying meme stock.
I mean, it's
a meme stock gold mine.
The type of company that it is.
Do you think it's odd at all that a movie theater would buy a gold mine?
It's very odd, of course.
I mean, it's not a movie theater though. It's just the owner. The owner's gonna
it's AMC. AMC invested, not the owner.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, then I mean, it's gold. I mean, you see gold going up right now. It kind of makes sense to me.
Do you have ideas on why they might be doing gold?
I mean, this play is out of left field. So it's like, I don't think anybody has an idea of why he would do this. That's why it's such a...
It's a ballpark move, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He knows something. I mean, I mean, these dudes know something. You know what I mean? These guys aren't millionaires and billionaires
I think
for no
they
reason.
knew that that they could move the price of a small cap mining company, and that their AMC, meme stock followers would pour into that stock, and they can sell it and they can dump it on their investors like they dumped AMC. And that's exactly what happened.
Yeah.
That stock, the Hycroft Mining Company, that stock went up, I think, like 16% that day. And
can you look it up?
It probably isn't institutional investors buying into it.
Yeah. So Nick was right. Like these guys pumped it pretty hard.
Jesus Christ, bro! Look at that!
Look at that rug pull.
If that's not textbook fucking pumping dump, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, there's a massive. Yeah, so I think Nick, is like pretty. Like I'm gonna give it up to Nick on this one.
Where was it at when it started?
It was like a 28 cents. 30. I guess 30 cents. It's like 30 cents.
Went up to almost $3, bro.
Yeah, man. Damn. That is a rug pull right there. Damn.
So it went up like 100x, 28 cents to like $2.90.
Almost 100x.
Almost 100x, bro, in one day.
No, this right here is
a couple days.
Fire for the people that got rich.
It's like a week, bro.
Yeah,
about 2 weeks.
The rich got rich.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Like
can you get it on Robinhood? Is it on Robinhood?
Someone check. I don't
Someone
have
check
Robinhood.
right now.
Yeah,
I'll check it out.
Oh, it's NASDAQ?
What's the ticker?
Yes, HYMC.
HYMC.
Did someone say Young Money?
Yeah, it is on here.
Of course it is, because AMC knew all those Robinhood traders would eat it up, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, so AMC busted like an AMC move.
AMC busted.
AMC rug pulled their guys again, bro.
Yeah. It's okay there.
Just like the CEO, bro.
There's a lot of news or rumors that the Fed, the SEC, and then the whole accounting firms, they're having a hard time investigating the Chinese firms or the Chinese stocks.
Mm-hmm.
So there's rumors that those might get delisted, right, Nick?
Exactly. Chinese stocks are being sold off pretty bad right now. A lot of them are like over 50-60% down over the past year. Some of them like 90% down. Yeah, they're being hit really hard, and like you said, part of it is because they don't want American institutions having a look at their books and seeing their financials and stuff.
Jeez, that looks horrible.
Yeah, tell me you have trust issues without telling me you have trust issues. I mean, tell
What's
me
that company again? What does that company do again?
Tell me you're insecure without telling me you're insecure. Oh,
which one? Company?
This one?
Yeah, that one. What is that?
This one's the Nick.
This is an ETF for all the Chinese tech companies.
Damn, that's crazy.
Man, this guy got roll pull pretty hard.
I mean, it looks like sanctions
damn, bro.
from this end.
Yeah, damn.
There's like American sanctions for every Chinese company, that's abroad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
I'm telling you, everything's just murk right now.
it's like rogue.
This is the Great Reset, bro, happening before your very eyes.
Yeah, well, I guess Jared is right. We are witnessing the Great Reset, and
this is it, bro. This is it. Told you.
Yeah, so I guess if you're not behind right now, you'll be left behind. I mean,
yeah.
It's pretty bad.
Everything's getting wiped out that needs to get wiped out, and everything is flourishing that needs to flourish.
It's a flourish. All right. And moving on to other things. Do you guys see this massive acquisition by the Bored Apes crew?
What is it? Is it an acquisition, or is it like a big buy-off? Like not even a buy-off, but like a.
Yeah, I think it's kind of it's kind of more like a buy-off, but you can consider it an acquisition in the fact that the Bored Ape creators acquired the full rights to CryptoPunks.
Okay.
Like IP, intellectual property. So the Bored Apes creators own CryptoPunks now. They own the whole collection as far as like rights and stuff. And then they bought up a few hundred CryptoPunk NFTs as well. But yeah, they own the rights.
But it was crazy that there was like no actual like amount of how much they actually spent.
Yeah, that's what trips me out.
For the rights and stuff.
Yeah, they didn't disclose that.
Yeah, it just came out today, so maybe more stuff will eventually like come out forward.
Yeah, but maybe they want to keep that under wraps and stuff. Since it's decentralized.
It's like worth more than Jeff Bezos.
Exactly. Yeah.
Man, but yeah, I mean, since crypto is so very unregulated, so I don't think they have to disclose that yet, or they don't have to disclose it at all. But it's kind of crazy how like this massive crypto whales or like this massive crypto whale orgs are just buying off more and more, and eventually,
that's crazy that it's basically the top two biggest NFT collections merged, right?
Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, I don't know, like last week or a few weeks ago, like I was talking about PayPal and how it's getting murdered. And then I was like, you know what? I'm out of this. I can't.
Yeah, man. Let me just mention something. There was an article that came out this week that mentioned the top 5 stocks that were hit bad and expected to increase 15% or more over the next year.
15?
50. 50.
Okay.
And PayPal was one of those picks, man.
Man.
I bought
so too soon or what?
I bought that dip. It's like, well, because I held PayPal and I suffered that hit, but I kept buying and I think they're oversold.
I agree. I think PayPal, Snapchat, like those Shopify. I think those are the good acquisitions right now because
what's that?
The upcoming growing economy. That's
Square. That's Square. And Square's cheap too.
Yeah. My main reason why I sold out of PayPal is for two reasons. But my main one was because PayPal is kind of like a digital bank, right? And then since we're gonna have a Fed hikes this whole year,
not a federal bank. It's not a bank.
It's not a bank.
It's a bank of itself.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of like a digital bank. I mean, it may not have the bank charter, but still.
Well, I guess that's kind of right what you're saying. I mean, they offer financial services, Yeah.
Yeah, so they're a digital bank without the bank charter, without being labeled as a bank. But anyhow, so we are gonna have hikes this whole year. I was like, you know what? I don't want to risk it. I already own like a good amount of Square. PayPal should just follow it. Like I'm selling out, and then so I did that. And then what I bought this one here, this clean energy ETF through the SPY. Let me show you that. I mean, it's looking pretty bullish.
Let me ask you, how come you went with this one instead of some of the other?
Why this one?
Yeah, instead of some other clean energy ETFs.
Well, just because it tracks the SPY. And then, like, pretty much nothing can really beat the. I mean, to me, it's that the SPY is less risky and there's more ups. I mean, the upside won't be like massively huge, but just beyond the SPY is probably like the safest benchmark like in the market. Yeah, so I was looking at them like I saw a few of the holdings and they're pretty respectable.
I liked this renewable energy ETF called QCLN.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, this has been one of the strongest in performing clean energy ETFs, and one of their top holdings is a stock that I own called First Solar. They're one of the largest cap solar companies in America, and I'm bullish on solar. And I think they're a good stock,
Yeah, to me, I'm pretty bullish on it too. I'm very bullish on it. Yeah, I saw this one, and it looks pretty good. Ever since it bottomed out back in 2012, it's been riding it up. Yeah, look at this. You can't.
That's pretty solid.
Yeah, if you're a trader and you're trading like every quarter, this one's easy. Like it's easy money. I mean, but if you're like a long-term trader, right? This thing gives me like AMD vibes, like way back. Close it out with a few memes. That way it's not that bad. But yeah, damn. Yeah, gas prices are killing us here in California. We're $6-7. So that's a tough one. And then
for the first time, ETH gas prices are lower than car gas prices.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Is that actually is that an actual true statement? Because I feel like it is.
You know, I heard ETH gas prices started to come down recently.
It's still up there though, because like
it's still up there. Yeah.
Like the other day he tried to send like fucking $17 in ETH and was charging him $50.
Yeah.
Oh hell no, dude.
Dude. That's tough. That's tough.
ETH is so terrible, bro.
It was so bad, bro.
Yeah,
we were just like, what the heck?
That's
all
terrible.
he needs is $17.
And then and then last one, we got this one here. This is me getting wiped out like every other week. I've been dollar cost averaging, and I'm getting raped. I'm getting destroyed. But yeah, it's
same. And it's like,
what start OnlyFans and buy the dip.
You know, if my portfolio is down like $250, I would try to buy like $250 worth to even it out. But man, bro, I'm losing way more money than I can afford to like buy back in with, dude.
Man, just throw in like your mortgage money in there.
Mortgage money.
You need 200% to break even.
That's insane. That's crazy.
Let's see. Today I'm up.
Enough. Yeah. Today.
It was a good day.
Today's been a good day.
Lots of bouncing back for sure.
If you're an investor, like a long-term investor, and then if you're not up to date, I mean, if you're not up today and you're a long-term investor, you may want to buy some other stuff.
You may want to sell all your Chinese stocks because that's probably what you're holding.
Oh man! All right.
So
stocks.
So I guess we'll like wrap it up with that.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the show, please like and subscribe. Tune in next week and share. All right, guys. Peace.
Peace.